students from Miss Alexander's class. So what is your group name?
The Fractional Four.
And so what did you guys do for your movie project?
For our movie project, we did a project on bees and how they're an endangered species.
And what was your inspiration for the project?
Our inspiration was like Bill Nye videos, so based on that we did some of like the consider the following segments and did you know that?
What did you think of the project? Like, did you find it fun or educational?
It was both fun and educational, and we got to teach the class about bees and how we should not kill them, especially when they come into our classroom.
So here we have another group of students from Miss Alexander's class. So what was your group name?
The Super Bloopers.
And so what did you guys do for your movie project?
We were talking about the endangered species golden eagle.
So what was your inspiration for your project?
Oh, we were inspired by Bill Nye, who's a scientist who posts videos on YouTube.
And so what did you guys think of the project?
Overall, it was a fun project, and we had fun doing the award ceremony and watching everybody else's movies.
Okay, so next we have the next group. So what was your group's name?
It was 6J the Science Peeps.
So what did you guys get the influence by?
We got the influence by Bill Nye.
So what do you guys think about your project?
It was a good learning experience for us, like how to film, how to edit, and like how to act.
What did you guys do in your video?
Okay, you can say it. You can go. Okay, so basically in the starting, Belcran. So there was an Algonquin wolf on him, and then he comes up, and then Drupal comes, and then he starts talking, and then Belcran says, "Hey, what are you doing on my show?" And then they start talking together. Okay. After that, we had it was try this. So when he started talking, he made this picture, and it was what to do. Like in Dona, you have try this. So he showed a picture of what he did in his background, and then after that, we had did you consider the following? Consider the following. Okay, so in consider the following, I was talking about Algonquin wolves and what other things we can do to help, and then last but not least, it was did you know that, which he did, and he was talking about the facts about Algonquin wolves.
Okay.
So here we have our final group of students from Miss Alexander's class. So what was your group name?
Our group name was Sanvi Nye the Science Gal. Basically, we were doing Bill Nye, so we put my name because I was the host in the video, and yeah, that's how our name generated.
So what did you guys do for your movie project?
We researched and made a movie about the Japanese knotweed, which is an invasive species located in Ontario.
So what was your inspiration for your movie topic?
We wanted to do something related to pandas because that was our original topic before we found out it would be in Ontario. So that's why we picked the Japanese knotweed because it's a relative of the bamboo.
And what did you guys think of the project?
We thought it was actually really fun and cool because I've never got to use a green screen. They haven't either. And we have never done something so fun, and it was like super fun, and the editing, it was all really cool.
Next, we have the next group. So what is the name of your guys' group?
Our group name is Potato Aerospace Industries.
So what was the inspiration behind your project?
It was a Bill Nye video. So we were trying to make a Bill Nye video, but we had to choose an animal and a subject. Our subject was endangered species.
What did you guys do in your project?
We talked about the nine-spotted ladybeetle and like how its endangerment and extinction affects everything. Biodiversity, us, the food chain, everything.
The 9-spotted ladybeetle is better known as the 9-spotted ladybug.
How do you think you guys did?
Okay, I guess. We got more
I
scientific.
think we're okay.
Out of 5, like a 3.5.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, thank you. We researched and made a movie about Japanese knotweed, which is an invasive species. We're gonna
board then. You're on the same bus.
We are so sorry, batting high photo bombs.
Five foot three, not bad.
I'm still the shortest in my class.
Oh, it's fine. You'll have your growth spurt in like high school. You'll be the tallest one there.
Yeah, sure. Anyway, so we're like, okay, aren't you excited for volleyball? Finally. Oh, I'm sorry.
What? You little muffin head, what was that?
Hey, I'm super sorry about that.
You're actually really short, you know?
That's not very nice. My mom said that it's okay to be short and you should always treat others the way you want to be treated.
Your mom. This isn't the 1960s anymore, you know, height matters.
Okay, that's actually really rude. Yeah, they're right. You should apologize.
No. Apologizing is for the weak, you know. You know, height actually matters, and I will stand by that till the day I die.
Well, at least we get to play volleyball.
Yeah, you're right.
So short. Exactly. Like, get taller.
What do you mean? I am average height for my size, thank you very much.
No, you're
you know,
not.
This is
average height's like this much.
You know, when did you
You're
learn
like
to
here.
when did you learn to not
That's
be a
not
bully?
very nice. You should always treat others the way you want to be treated.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Hey, by the way, thanks for standing up for me in the gym.
Yeah, no problem. You guys should always treat others the way you want to be treated. And
Don't be a bully, be a buddy. Woo! Hello, Centennial. I'm here with our very talented artist, Shira, and I'm gonna ask her a couple questions. So, how did you start off, like, drawing and stuff?
So basically, I always been drawing, but I got more into it around grade 3 when my dad and my brother bought me my first sketchbook.
So it's like a family thing?
Yeah, most of my family is really good at drawing.
That's really cool. So, on when you showed some images and stuff, that glass art, how do you do that?
Okay, so basically during quarantine there was a trend on TikTok where people would paint anime characters on glass, and I just hopped on it. So it's basically like pancake art. So whatever is prominent at the front, that's what you would put down first. So first you would do the lining with a permanent marker, and then you would put the details like the eyes or something, and then you would fill in the background with the skin. You would fill that in. So it's layers.
Nice, thank you. Hello, Gafna. Wonderful guitar performance. It was beautiful.
thank you.
How did you learn?
So I actually learned to play guitar off of YouTube videos. I have never had any lessons, all just from YouTube videos.
When did you get your first guitar?
I got my first guitar when I was 9, but I never really played it much up until the recent lockdown.
Thanks for coming in. Hey Sahil, so that was amazing piano. How did you learn?
Well, I've been learning for 8 years now, and I have 2 teachers, one in Canada and then one in India. So I've been learning both ways. Yeah.
That's really cool. Does your like family do any like music too?
My brother sings, and yeah, nothing else really.
That's cool. Thanks for like showing us your talent.